Hey Facebook and St. Louis Realtors, this is Russ with the Miller Mortgage team at New American Funding, and I've got Nisa. How are you, Nisa?
Hey guys!
Nisa is our resident expert for renovation loans. So we are holding our Realtor prospecting and marketing class this coming Thursday at 9 a.m. here in the New American Funding conference room. From 9 to 10:30, there'll be some Q&A, and Nisa is going to go over the renovation loan. So realtors, we want to show you how you can sell more homes using this renovation loan. So Nisa, being the expert, give me a little insight. Everybody's heard of the 203K loan, right?
Absolutely.
What's that about?
So the 203K is our FHA renovation loan, standard 3.5% down FHA loan. You guys are pretty familiar with that. But we are also going to talk about the conventional renovation loan, which you can do this on higher loan limits, second homes, investor programs. So that is an
Wait a minute. Investment loan.
investment loan.
Nice.
Yes.
So conventional then going up to
Absolutely.
$453,000.
Yes.
Okay. Wow.
Yes. Yes. And
Awesome.
you can also add pools. So that's a really awesome
Pools.
product. Yes.
That's pretty cool. See, I'm already learning stuff. I can't wait for this class.
All right.
Tell me,
Yes.
what is this? What is this right here?
Realtors, we want you to know this is going to be the easiest transaction you will do. And the reason we say this because usually these are as-is purchases. You don't have to negotiate inspection issues. So we want to dispel the myth that these are the hard
But the utilities
deals.
probably have to be turned on.
They don't. Utilities do not have to be turned on. I'm telling you, like this is an awesome
Why
program.
didn't you tell me that? I would have been doing these all along. Cool.
Exactly.
Well, awesome. I can't wait for that.
Yes,
So
we're
thank
excited.
you.
Thank
Realtors,
you.
this is going to be probably the best class so far this
Yes.
year. So learn how to sell more homes using these awesome new loans that we offer. And Nisa will be here
I'll be
Thursday
here.
at 9 a.m. And we're looking forward to seeing you. Thanks,
Absolutely.
guys.
Thank you.